Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn sound of vowel double O words. What? Sound of vowel double O words. Sound of vowel double O words. Good. Double O is pronounced in two ways. Good. Double O is pronounced in two ways. First and second. The first double O is pronounced as oo. The first double O is pronounced as oo. Good. Oo. And second double O is pronounced as oo. This double O is pronounced as oo. Good. First of all, we are going to learn oo sound. Okay. Double O is pronounced as oo. There are some example. Good. B double O N, boon. M double O N, moon. N double O N, noon. S double O N, soon. L double O M, loom. R double O M, room. D double O M, doom. Z double O M, zoom. C double O L, cool. T double O L, tool. W double O L, wool. B double O T, boot. R double O T, root. Good job. Now we are going to learn second double O words. Good. The second double O words is pronounced as oo. Good. C double O K, cook. H double O K, hook. L double O K, look. B double O K, book. S H double O D, should. Shook. Sorry, this is K. Shook. G double O D, good. H double O D, hood. W double O D, wood. F double O T, foot. Good. Thank you.